All right, let's just jump right in. We're not just talking about some cool new tech today. No, this is a financial rescue plan. I'm going to show you how you can use AI to stop hemorrhaging cash and literally kill some of those annoying monthly bills for good.
Okay, I want you to look at this number, $500. Seriously, that's what some studies are showing the average person wastes every single month on things that AI can now do for free, or, for pennies on the dollar. Just think about that for a second.
What could you do with an extra $500 a month? That's a car payment, a serious boost to your savings. It's a whole vacation. Right now, that money might just be, poof, leaking out of your bank account.
So, ready to plug that financial leak? The good news is it's not that hard, and you can start right now, today. This is your guide. We're about to turn those expenses right back into your savings account, starting immediately. First up, let's talk about slaying your subscriptions. You know what I'm talking about, right? The silent killer of our budgets, the monthly subscription. It's like death by 1,000 cuts. Those little $10, $20, $30 fees that just pile up. Well, it's time to fight back. We're going to slam with some really smart AI alternatives. Okay, first target, writing assistants. You're probably familiar with services like Grammarly Premium. And look, they're great. But here's the thing. A free tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. It can check your grammar, help you fix your tone, even brainstorm ideas with you for $0. For most of us, that premium subscription has basically become obsolete. And boom, just like that, your first bill is gone. See how easy that was? Next up, graphic design. Are you paying, 20-something bucks a month for something like Photoshop just to make a few social media posts or crop a photo, maybe make a quick thumbnail? If so, you're just throwing money away. Seriously, AI image editors can do all that basic stuff for you instantly with just a simple sentence. You type what you want, it makes it. So, another subscription, another bill, gone. Oh, this one is a biggie, especially if you're a creator. Think about all that money going to stock footage sites or for background music. It adds up so fast, right? Well, guess what? AI can now generate totally unique, totally royalty-free images, video clips, even custom music for your projects. For the everyday stuff most of us are doing, paying for access to those massive, expensive libraries, yeah, that's officially a thing of the past. Okay, let's do some quick math here. Just from those first 3 tips, writing, design, and media, you could easily be saving anywhere from $50 to $100 every single month. That's not pocket change. We're talking about real money back in your account starting now. See how fast this works? All right, you ready to level up? We're moving on from subscriptions to the big-ticket items, professional fees, firing your expensive consultants, or at least not hiring them for the simple stuff. Think of AI as your new secret weapon, your first line of defense against those huge bills. And check out how practical this is. Let's say you need to negotiate your rent. Instead of hiring someone for a few $100 to write a letter, you can just ask an AI. You could literally say, draft a professional but firm email to my landlord to negotiate my rent, and hey, use the current market rates for my zip code. A single prompt like that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars over the year. That's just wild. So how do you actually do it? It's easy. It's like a 4-step recipe. First, you give the AI a role. Tell it, act as a legal assistant. Simple. Step 2, give it the context. I need to write a letter to my contractor about an incomplete job. Step 3, tell it the tone you want, like make it sound professional but assertive. And finally, and this is super important, you have to review and edit what it gives you. Remember, AI is an amazing tool, but it's not a lawyer. For the really complex stuff, you still need a pro. And this trick works for so many things. You can ask an AI to explain a super confusing part of the tax code in plain English. You can have it whip up a starter budget for you. You can even use it as a kind of sounding board for a basic mental health check-in, just to organize your thoughts. For all these initial steps, AI can save you an absolute fortune in those hefty consultation fees. Okay, on to our final section, the time is money hacks. This is where we automate your work to reclaim your hours. Because let's be real, saving time is just as valuable as saving money, if not more so. When you automate the boring stuff, you free yourself up to earn more, learn a new skill, or, actually have a life. I mean, just look at this chart. The difference is absolutely insane. A research task that used to take, say, 10 hours of manual grunt work, with AI, you can crush that in about 2 hours. Think about that. That's 8 hours back in your pocket. That's a whole workday you just reclaimed. Every week. And the tools to make this happen? They're everywhere.
and many are free. You've got AI resume builders that tailor your resume to a job description in seconds. AI tools that listen to your Zoom meetings and spit out a perfect summary with action items. AI that schedules your emails. AI that does your competitive research so you can actually think about strategy. This isn't just about being efficient, it's about becoming hyper-efficient.
So as we start to wrap this up, I want you to think about this. The rich, they're already using AI to get even richer. They're automating their businesses, making smarter investments, and just generally moving faster than everyone else. But here's the real takeaway for the rest of us. The smart use? AI to stop getting poorer. It's that simple. You use it to stop paying for things that machines can now do for free or for next to nothing. It's about plugging those leaks in your financial boat and taking back control. So I'm going to leave you with this one simple thought. The tools are here, they're easy to use, and a lot of them are totally free. So the only real question left is the one you see on the screen. Which bill are you killing with AI today?